Hey everyone! Enabling or adding JavaScript to your GoDaddy site is key to adding interactive features like pop-ups, custom tracking, or specialized widgets. In 2026, the process depends on whether you are using the GoDaddy website builder or cPanel hosting. Step 1. Accessing Chrome settings. We are starting from a new tab in Google Chrome. This ensures you are at the base level of the browser. We do this to access the primary configuration panel. Look to the top right corner of your browser window. Click on the three vertical dots, the kebab menu, and select Settings from the drop-down list. This opens the Global Control Center for how Chrome interacts with the websites you visit. Step 2. Enabling JavaScript in Site Settings. Now we are navigating through the Privacy and Security section. We do this because JavaScript is often disabled by default on certain sites to protect you from malicious scripts. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then click on Site Settings in the main window. Scroll down to the Content section and click on JavaScript. Ensure that the option Sites Can Use JavaScript is selected. This allows your GoDaddy editor and your live site to run the code you've added. Most users should have Sites Can Use JavaScript selected. The radio button will be blue. This is the gold standard for modern web browsing. The GoDaddy website builder is essentially a giant web app. It uses JavaScript to drag and drop elements and to show you a real-time preview of your site. If Don't Allow Sites to Use JavaScript is selected in your Chrome settings, the GoDaddy editor will often appear as a blank white page or a broken layout. Step 3. Contacting GoDaddy support. If your browser settings are correct, but your site is still failing to execute scripts, we are heading to the GoDaddy Help Center. We do this because there may be a security firewall or a hosting restriction on their end. Navigate to the Help Center page on the GoDaddy website. Scroll to the bottom or look for the Contact Us or Chat Now button. Tell the agent specifically that you have enabled JavaScript in your browser, but your custom scripts are being blocked by the server. They can often whitelist certain scripts or adjust your hosting permissions for you. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.